Oh yeah, but Carl, I can't take peptides because they're not FDA approved. Stop being a fucking retard. Do you know what else isn't FDA approved? Creatine that you're taking most days. Powdered electrolytes that you're having most days. What about those fish oils that are helping you out a lot? And majority of the other supplements you take are not FDA approved. But do you know what the FDA did approve? Cigarettes, alcohol, seed oils, processed food, and the list goes on.
Wow. Well, apparently you can prove to everyone that you're an idiot in under 30 seconds. The reason people care whether a drug or peptide is FDA approved isn't because they think the FDA is perfect. It's because FDA approval means the manufacturers had to provide evidence that the product is reasonably safe, effective for its intended use, and manufactured to consistent quality standards. That's why it's not FDA approved can be a legitimate concern. What people are really saying is, show me the evidence. And when there is good evidence, oh, what's that? The peptide does get FDA approval. So, sounds like quite a good thing. Fish oil, creatine and electrolytes are not FDA approved because they're dietary supplements, not drugs, and therefore fall under a different regulatory category. While the supplement industry is therefore not without risk, this is why when we look at supplements, we still ask, is there evidence? And luckily creatine, fish oil and electrolytes are well studied. Although I would say electrolytes seem to be a little overused in my opinion in today's fitness space. Second, the cigarette and alcohol argument is simply wrong. The FDA does not approve cigarettes as safe. It regulates tobacco products because Congress gave it authority to do so. In fact, the FDA openly states that smoking causes disease, disability and death. The FDA doesn't approve alcohol either. Alcohol is primarily regulated by other government agencies. And regulation is not the same thing as approval. His mentioning of processed foods and seed oils only further highlights his clear inability to read research, but that level of bro science isn't exactly surprising, I guess. I mean, he's dismissing FDA approval for peptides, yet choosing to demonize seed oils that have a lot higher level of evidence for their safety than, well, everything he's penning into himself. When people question peptides, we are just asking for the evidence, rather than just being okay with accepting that a random powder made from a lab in China that's only been tested in rodents is something to start injecting ourselves and our clients with. It sounds like a reasonable query. This is a man who has made a video stating that he got decca dick in his early 20s, so I'm not exactly sure he's a credible source of health information. Cunt.